So the first thing, typically in creating a balanced portfolio, especially for a young investor, for a newer investor, start with low cost index funds. Start with things like something like an ETF, right? An ETF that's a broad market ETF, whether it's an S&P 500 ETF or just a global market ETF. Start with a broad market ETF that exposes you to the whole market, but then it's minimizing your fees because you're doing it through, again, a low cost index fund. Right? Don't start with trying to get fancy. Don't start with trying to do 1,000 different things. Start with something low cost, something you can easily understand, and something you can easily keep an eye on. Although you don't want to feel like you're getting in there and putting your hand in there. We're going to talk about this in a little bit. You want something that easily gets you access to what the broad market is doing for you.